Hey friends, it's Miss Mizia here. I have our math lesson for the week. We've been talking a lot about number bonds as well as our say 10 counting, right? When we look at our teen numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, even 11 and 12, even though they don't say teen at the end of them. And we've been counting our say 10 way. So 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, etc., right? So today we're going to kind of put them together. We're going to look at our number bonds and our say 10 counting because that will help us with our number bonds when we're looking at teen numbers, okay? So here's our number bond, right? And I'm going to lower you down so that you can see my number bond. And then I have some blocks. So we have 10. And then we are going to have some leftover ones when I break these up, okay? So if we want to break down these numbers, or if we just want to look and figure out how to put them together, we know that we're always going to have a group of 10 in our teen numbers, right? So one of our parts will always be 10, right? But then we need to figure out the other part from our whole. So let's say that our whole for this one is 12. Okay, so the number 12 is our whole. What's the say 10 way for 12? We have 10, right? And how many leftover ones? 2. So I would put 2 here, right? So take a look at our number bond here. This is our whole, 12, and our say 10 way for 12 is 10, 2, right? We have a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. So we're going to look at another example. Okay, so here's our group of 10, and I'm going to say our next example is let's do 18. So here's our 18. We have our group of 10 because we know that our 18 has how many groups of 10? 1. So here's our 10. And then how many leftover ones does it have? We have 10, 8 leftover ones. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, our say 10 way helps us here. 18, and our say 10 way is 10 and 8. So if we counted these, what number should we get? 18. So let's count. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And let's try it. Our say 10 way. 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, right? 18, 10, and 8 ones. Now, if we wanted to put these together, we could give ourselves a group of 10 and then some leftover ones. So I'm going to let you figure this one out and let you try it. So I'm going to give you the group of 10, and I want you to decide a number between 1 and 9 for your other part. And then I want you to figure out what your whole would be. Tricky. Now, once you're done with that, you can pause the video if you need to, a little bit of time to figure that out. But once you're done with that, you're going to go and try the practice problems that Miss Mizia gave you. You can use blocks, you can use cars, you could use rocks from outside, Cheerios, goldfish, maybe you have cubes at home, you could use cubes. Anything that you have at home, I want you to try to go break those teen numbers up using your number bonds, okay? If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. You guys are doing a great job. Talk to you soon.